Oh, my voice is croaky. It is day 3 in America. Today we are going to Universal Studios. I've just woken up, so that's why I look like this. I'm eating a cherry. I need to start getting ready, but I really can't be bothered. Anyway, so today we're going to Universal Studios. I need to start getting ready and we have to leave by 8:30 and it's like 7 something. So yeah. So okay, so I'm doing my makeup right now and for some reason my like tan has fully washed off my face, so I like need to wear makeup today, but so yeah, I don't have long to get ready, so I have to like quickly do it and I'll update you once I'm done. Okay, so I am back. Oh, that's where my powder went, Mum. I was using it as a mirror. I was looking for this everywhere. So I was gonna wear my hair down today and I put it out and it's literally so oily, so it's hair up. So yeah, today we're going to Universal Studios. I need to brush my eyelashes out and then we're gonna leave pretty soon. Yeah, I look kind of bad. Alright, we've just arrived at Universal. I have my camera today, so yeah. I'm getting stared at, but it's fine. Alright, we're walking through Disneyland right now. We're not in Disneyland, we're in Universal. VIP. So, Mum just bought... Love it. Mum just bought VIP tickets, and basically we get to go up to this room that has like all free food. And like there's like a chill room in there and we get to skip all the lines and the rides, and later tonight we get to eat dinner at the I just spilled water all over my camera. We get to have dinner at the 3 Broomsticks in Harry Potter World, so I'm so excited. Yay! Harry Potter World! We're about to walk into Harry Potter World. I'm very excited. I'm getting stared at, but we're just gonna roll with the stairs, I think, today. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm actually so excited. Oh. Yeah. Right, this is even awkwarder. This is the Hogwarts Express. Oh my god. God, that is Hogwarts right there. Alright, we're about to go on to the first Harry Potter ride, and it takes you through Hogwarts. I'm so excited.
I'm scared.
It's not scary. We'll be fine. This is probably one of the only rides Mum's gonna go on with me. We're going in. Oh my god.
We're going with Voldemort.
Oh my god.
I'd rather see for myself.
Okay, that was honestly amazing. Now we're gonna go on this ride. It's like a roller coaster. That's the roller coaster. Roller coaster literally went for 3 seconds, so that was not scary whatsoever. Mum was still.
It was. I was just probably sick.
Yeah. Now we're gonna have a look around at Hogwarts and Hogsmeade. And yeah, last time I came here I got like a wand and a robe and stuff, so I don't really need to get any of them. Honeydukes right now. This is what I want to get, Mum. Chocolate frog. We just got out of the Despicable Me ride. Now we're trying to find the Simpsons part of Universal Studios. Krusty's Burger. This is my love level. Look how love I am. Do you want to see what you want? Hold it.
I want to get a picture of him right now.
I'm really surprised I wasn't a cold fish.
Get a picture of you by Mark.
Ooh, you're a hubba hubba.
Oh, of course I am.
So we just got off the Simpsons ride. We're going to get some food. But I really want to go on the Walking Dead ride, but I don't know how scary it is. It's like a walkthrough and people like come and scare you, and I feel like it's gonna be really scary. We are about to go on the studio tour. We're walking down there now. This is gonna be good. You walk down. This is the studio tour hosted by Jimmy Fallon. It should be really good. I'm excited. Okay, we're about to go on the tour. We have our 3D glasses.
And the greatest driver. And decided to get on the tour, but first, a few safety rules.
Into the future. We're built out here. In the heyday of its filming, we have all sorts of celebrities today. There is Norman Bates late discount. I seem to have upset him.
Pierce, pleased to meet you.
But to keep you safe, we need your help.
We just got off the studio tour and now we are getting some lunch. We're just at a place to get sandwiches. Oh, there's Mum. We just did the Walking Dead ride and oh my god, that was so scary. It was like a haunted house. And
It was funny.
No, I shit myself on that ride. Oh my god, I was holding on to Mum so tight. It was so bad. Okay, we are going down the elevators now to go onto some more rides. My favorite ride last time was here, down here. It's the Mummy ride, so I'm actually really excited. And Jurassic Park rides down here as well. So yeah, you have to go down like 3 escalators, but the view is so amazing. I'm about to go on the Mummy ride by myself. My favorite ride last time. Alright, so we are back at our hotel. We had a really, really long day at Universal Studios. So we spent like 11 hours there. So we were there for a really, really long time. We went all through like the Harry Potter worlds and everything. We went to all the shows. We went on every single ride. Well, I did. I had to go on some rides by myself because Mum doesn't like roller coasters. And I went on the Mummy ride 3 times because it's my favorite. And the 3rd time I made Mum go on it. Did you enjoy it?
No,
Why?
because she lied.
I didn't lie. It's fun.
It wasn't fun. I felt sick afterwards.
Yeah. And then we were on the Harry Potter ride for the 2nd time. And like there's like a screen that shows everything, and all of a sudden like the ride just like comes to a complete halt and the screen just goes black. And there was a little girl and her mum next to us, and the little girl was like freaking out. She's like, something was gonna happen. So then I was freaking out, and I couldn't see Mum because she was like hiding behind the thing, and I'm like freaking out. I'm like, we're gonna die. This is where I die. I was actually thinking that.
Were you?
Yeah, I was like, at least we're gonna die with like some good people. Like this little girl looks really good.
No, I knew it was going to be okay.
I didn't, and I couldn't see you because you were like hiding.
I had your hand.
No, she was not very good at supporting. It's
I
fine.
was.
So we did that.
I was trying to control my own fear.
Yeah, okay.
I
Really?
thought I was going to be sick when it started going again.
Oh yeah, and then I thought she was gonna vomit everywhere, so I was like scared.
But then I thought I was going to be sick in the taxi on the way home.
So yeah, it's like 10 o'clock now. Yeah, we're gonna get ready for tomorrow. Not really, we're gonna go to sleep. I don't know what I'm saying. My face is shiny as fuck because I put moisturizer on it, and all my tan is completely off on my face. It's just, yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. Subscribe. Yeah, follow me on Instagram. Mainly just subscribe, I think. Peace out.